Malin Goetz Retinol Correcting Serum. The Malin Goetz Retinol Correcting Serum is an exceptional product that offers a multitude of benefits for all skin types, including sensitive skin. With over 10 years of experience in the field of product marketing, I can confidently say that this serum is a game changer for anyone looking to achieve clearer and smoother skin. One of the key highlights of this facial serum is its unique formula, which includes a powerful combination of vitamin A, C, E, and superoxide. These ingredients work harmoniously to provide numerous benefits for your skin. Vitamin A, also known as retinol, plays a crucial role in promoting cell turnover, reducing fine lines and wrinkles, and enhancing overall skin texture. Vitamin C helps brighten the skin and improve collagen production, resulting in a youthful and radiant complexion. Vitamin E is an excellent antioxidant that protects the skin against free radicals and environmental damage. Lastly, superoxide helps.